Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the same tool that this channel used in creating short videos and has made about 237 to 951 in the last 28 days, and this is all on view start. You can go and check this out for yourself. So I'm going to refresh the page so you see that nothing is being edited, right? So this is an approximate value of what this channel has made in the last 20 days just by posting short. And the goal of this video is to show you the same tool that this channel uses to create shorts that generates this amount. All right, and you can see the views in the last 28 days, over 23.77 million views, right? And 4K subs, right, in the last 28 days. Now let me now show you other channels that are doing a similar thing. Look at this guy, also doing a similar thing and generating a similar amount, right? And everything is done using just one tool. One tool can do all these kind of videos for you. Now look at this other guy doing a different kind of short videos, and of course this channel also doing these kind of videos, but you can see what we're talking about. So this tool would allow you to create Reddit videos, YouTube story videos, and different kinds of shorts. Even if you want to just create shorts, you know, based on different style for your videos, you can also do that using this tool. So it does from scripting to video editing and even publishing for you if you like. So let me show you the tool. You will be amazed. Now the tool is called this shorts.ai. So on shorts.ai you can explore these different kinds of tools, and if you check the comments you will see a unique link that will give you access to this short.ai, and then you can start to explore the tools, the kind of videos that are available. So let's start with this Reddit videos, right? So if I want to create a Reddit video, and you can see best niche, I'll just click on it. Again, you sign up on via the link that will be in the description, and then you go to your dashboard and you will land on this place. You click on Reddit videos, and then this is what you get. So there is custom script, okay, so you can import from Reddit or TikTok, and then there is AI script. So remember, the first step in your video creation is the script, then you choose the background, subtitles, audio, and boom, you publish. So in just 4 simple steps you can create a similar Reddit video that I showed you previously, right? So for me, I'm going to say AI script, okay, and describe your video concept to AI. So I can write anything I want. For example, I can write I can write a video, so something like this, and then you set the timer. So I can do 30 to 60 seconds, and English. You can also click this and you see different languages, but I'll choose English for this, and then I'll click on generate script. Okay, so give it some time, it's going to load and the script will be generated for you. So I'm using the AI script, the AI feature on short.ai, but you can also import from Reddit. Okay, so what exactly is Reddit? Of course, a lot of you may know what TikTok is, but maybe some of you don't know what Reddit is. So Reddit is a social media platform, more like a forum where people post different kinds of things. So you can go on some Reddit forums, generate the story, right, or get the link and just put the link here, and it would create the script from that Reddit story, right? So now you can see it has given me the script, as you see. So you see, from struggling to thriving, I went from paycheck to paycheck, financial freedom, boom. And now I have my script, which was generated using AI right here on shorts.ai. So the next thing I want to do is click on next, boom, and you'll be brought to this place where you can choose the background of your video. So you go for the background that suits you. For me, I'm just going to scroll down to see which background. So I like this background, right? It's clean and it's what I want. So let's see if we have other backgrounds. So let me choose this one, right? So boom, I've chosen this one. Then I'll click on next. And of course, you want to choose the subtitle that you need. Okay, so choose the subtitle that best fits what you are trying to do. So I'll choose this particular subtitle, or let's see. I like this one, so I'll choose this one, and then I'll click next. Then of course you want to choose audio. So if you see, there are different voice, and these are AI voice that sound human. So I will choose the voice that
failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just means you haven't succeeded yet.
Okay, I like Lucan Rook, right? So you click on the one you like, and then there is music. So this is the voice, while this side is the music. So you can increase the sound and play the music. So I like this one. Then the next thing I'm going to click, this is 13. I will reduce it to 6. And then the next thing, you want to click generate video, and boom, just like that, your entire video will be generated. Watch this. So just like that, your entire video will be generated. You can download the video, or you can choose to publish the video, or even schedule the video on your YouTube channel from this one tool. Right now, like I said, check out the link in the description. You would see you'll see my affiliate link, where you can click, and then you can start using this tool. All right, so you give it some time, it would load, and then this tool will do everything for you. And this is the video currently playing. This is how it's going to appear. And just like I showed you in the other video, now you can either create the post and post it direct, or you can download it. So for me, I'm just going to click download, and I have downloaded this video right now, and then I can post it on my channel, right? And that's that. So you can post it as a short on your channel, right? So let's check out how we can do another video. Click back to home, so it takes you back to home, and then we just did Reddit story. You can do fake text only. So again, so you just click on the fake text, right? And and once again, you will be redirected to this screen. So you know how fake text work, right? You can change the logo. So you can change the logo to include maybe someone another image or someone else's face, and all you need to do is just click on that like that, and then select any face that you want to use. So I'm just going to select, okay, so I'm going to find a logo. I'm going to find a logo that I can use. Let me see. Okay, so I've just chosen a logo. I've chosen a logo. So you can use any logo. You can write the name that you want to use, for example Ayo. So again, so this is what to show. Any face you choose will be here, and the name of the person, right? So again, it appears as though Ayo is the owner of this particular screen that is currently showing the text. And then you see, welcome to Shorts.ai video creation, this, that, right? So now what you see there is a receiver, and then there is sender. Okay, so and if you look at here, it says alignment, content, and the message. So this welcome to Shorts.ai shows the message for the sender, right? Sorry, yeah, the message for the receiver. And this is present example context, shows the message for the sender, right? So one way you can do is you can use AI scripts to generate the conversation between two people, right? And then you can go ahead with this, or you can just edit it like this and say, hi, for example, I need 5k from you, right? And then this is present example context. You can come here and generate it, then you do 5k like this, right? So you see, you have edited this one. So you can add the receiver now. So you can add receiver, and the receiver will say, no, I need 5,000. I need 5,000 urgently, something like this. And then you can add sender like this, and the person writes 5,000 urgently, right? And then you can add another sender and write something again, bro. So again, you see, I'm doing this right from the top of my head. Bro, I said I need 5,000, right? And you can add the sender now, and the sender will respond by saying what? 5,000. Then you can finally add another text that says something like this, right? And add sender again. Thanks. You see, so now you have created the message. Then if you want to make it juicy, of course, make sure you put the appropriate logo or the appropriate face of the person, or your face, or any face you want to use. I can't find any suitable small size image. That's why I'm just using this. I created the video for this with this logo, so I just used it. So now once you are done, you click on next. So you see, I generated the script, but you can also use AI to generate the script. So you just click AI and tell it what you want to do, and you generate the script. Or if you have a script already, you can paste the script, right? So you can also generate the script using ChatGPT or Grok or DeepSeek or any of the AI generation tools out there, and paste the script or copy existing video, and just do something, right? So next is what you need to click. Then you of course you want to select background. So there are different backgrounds that you have here. I chose a different one, so this time I'm going to use this one, okay? And then you click next. And then the next thing you want to choose is the theme, okay? So there are different themes that are available to you. You want to choose, for me, I can decide to choose this dark theme right here, okay? Or I can decide to choose this WhatsApp this WhatsApp theme. Click next. So it appears as though the message was done on WhatsApp. And of course, you want to choose a voice, music. So you want to choose a music that suits what you are trying to do. So I'm just going to go with this music, the Best Jazz Club, and then I would click any voice that suits me. Okay, let's choose Leo this time, and then click generate video. Boom. So as easy as that, I've generated my second video, and my video will be done to be processed, and you can download it immediately. And you, like I said, you can either schedule it from this place, or you can download and then post it on YouTube, TikTok, whatever platform you choose to use in posting the videos, right? And not only this, I'll still show you one more video, because creating these videos are so fast, right? So I'll still show you one more video that you can use or you can create using these AI tools. And by the time you sign up using the link in the description, you can actually gain access to the tool, and you can start to play with it to see what is available to you, right? So you can see the video is done. Let's
I need 5,000.
Let's create one more video, right? Because why? We have a lot of opportunities on this platform. There is split screen, dialogue. So let's do AI story video. So all you need to do, and let's not forget, you have AI tools, right? You have caption generation, caption generator. You have video to text, text to speech. All these things are available here. So let's do AI story video. Remember, we have done Reddit, we have done fake text, right? And now let's do this AI story video. So I'll click on AI story video, and you have templates, right? You have different templates. You can do a custom prompt. You can go to custom prompt and put your prompt, or you can go to AI script and you have different AI script and just do interesting history, use it, right? And 60 to 90 seconds, generate script. So you can add your hook if you like, and change your call to action as well in the previous post. That's the previous screen that you saw. So once you are done with this, the next thing you click is next, and then you choose your background. Okay, so you choose your background that you want to use. For me, I'm going to leave it at this sci-fi art, or anyone you like really. Then click on next, and then select the write-up you want to use. I'm going to use this, and then I'll click on next. And of course, you want to choose the voice. Okay, so I'll choose any voice I like, select the music you want here, and click generate video. So with this, you are able to generate a full AI story video, all faceless. And I've shown you the what these channels can do monthly, right? A lot of these channels do up to 5K, up to 10K dollars monthly, right? Just creating these faceless AI videos. And now you have one tool that does everything, right? From scripting to editing to posting and scheduling. One tool does it all for you. So once this is done, if you have any questions at all, drop it in the comments. Remember, check the description. You are going to see the link, the unique link for you to sign up on this Shorts.ai. You will see my unique link. Click that link, sign up, and then if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and of course I'm going to respond to all your questions, right? If you're interested, like I said, check out the description. You'll see more info about this tool, and make sure you explore every other thing. From time to time, I'll continue to post tutorial videos like this, teaching you how you can create AI videos and how to monetize your YouTube channel after creating these videos. If you want a full YouTube video tutorial, how to create your channel, how to do how to post, how to do stuff like that, then I would also drop a link in the description where you can see the full tutorial on how to create your channel, right? So you can create your channel the right way and start posting this kind of shorts and start making money for yourself online. Thank you for watching this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.